Today we'll talk about how can you find gratis on your app, on your Score Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your Score Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on gratis here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here we'll find all gratis you have. I have nothing here, so but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your here Score Planner app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.